Menta kasngi ka arpu sauterik ujemang arhajar arpulai na kaliang ka office jong ke Khasi Hills Wildlife Division Forest and Environment Department kalayo ban pli ya artli ki community reserve hapada kendeng bat harat nong beri. Ha kani kasngi lawan ban pli ya kita ki artli ki yeng da USM Sahai IFS ubaderu Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Biodiversity and Wildlife haka jukopor ubaderu Chief Wildlife Warden Meghalaya haka jingdon ringkat ki weipat ki officer ki lingdo ki longsan bat kirang ba shnong jong karat nong beri bat karat nong lingdo haka ni kasngi layo ru banwan ra ya ka jingtip halor commission live kabadai commission kabala pelat petba da menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi ha usnam arhajar arpaway. Bat kathong jong kani commission kalong ba uway pa uway ubreu shim jingket kli ban yadai kamariang. Habakaran haka jingyalang ranger jong kanongpo wildlife range uba lining walang ulaong baka jingsdang jong kani commission live kadai nalayeng. Da kabangi penonkam da kibolait kibali kibaduna ban bamlait hajaka jong kibolait kibasau. Bat kumju ru ban pendunai ka jing penonkam ya ki plastik. Hakani ka juk kasngi hadin balapli ya ke reserve forest hapada kendeng layo ru ya ke jing letpet ya ka keram lembet ka badai ka keram ka ba bun ki khana pateng hapo jong karat nong lingdo. Habakaran hakati ka jing yalang ban pli ya ki community reserve hall ki nong keren ki ai ka jing khublai ki patba jong kite ki artli ki balashim khia ban yada bat ban sumar ki ding ki siet bat kilum ki wa banwanra eka jing internat kamariang bat kameri saukun. USM Sahai IFS ula ongru bakani kadai ka wei na kanuksa ka babahatam na kabanta ki wei pat kishnong bamarjan ban tiap kumno ban sumaria ki klau ki petap.
To the concept of community reserves. So I begin with thanking the community members of this community reserves for being part of our joint efforts, the Forest Department and the community. For quite a long period now, you are one of the first community reserves to be notified under Wildlife Protection Act. One of the first to be notified in the state, way back in 2014. I congratulate you all for that. We all know that this government's efforts of protection.
Department implements. Here we don't do like that. We give to you people what you want to do, you do as per your condition. Only as procedure we just approve the thing of what we can call as a scheme from the department. We are happy to inaugurate this hall. We are inaugurating another hall. I think this is 9 years you have completed as making community reserve around 70 hectares. We are very thankful to you that you have made this community reserve, and not only your community reserve is benefiting your area, the water which is conserved from here, it may be useful to so many thirsty villages down this side, that side, and I hope that you will preserve this community reserve very nicely. Whatever help is needed from our side, we are always there to help you. And the second thing, the management which you are doing, we will try to come up with some kind of ecotourism also, so people can get some kind of job. So that also we will think. The first stage we cleared since 9 years. You have been here as you have been conserving this area as community reserve. Meghalaya has as of now 83 community reserves. One is this. Apart from Meghalaya, only Nagaland has the number of community reserves. They have 112. What figure we get? But Meghalaya, we are grateful, and especially to Bhoi district. Again, we have made one Red Marathon this year. Again, we are proposing some 2-3 more. So this will go on, number will add, and this will give you the best quality of environment, which you can say air, water. So these are the blessings which we get from the God, and this you are preserving it through your efforts. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. for today, which maybe is like have awareness regarding this mission life. The first one is safe energy. I do have some of the LED bulbs, which I think will give to the Long Sun. Also, some will have that opportunity to have user in the mission life program we used to do on our own. So at least there, and even Sachin, we are now quite a bit far, except Shillong maybe we have, but here we didn't expect. So I will take this opportunity as part of mission life celebration. We have a safe energy with LED bulb. Ini LED bulb kita lihat, and ajimut untuk mission life kalau ajingin nak bentar kemarin. Kamu ba safe energy, ni orang di bulb sao. Bulb sao baru ni thang yang ni thang basau buat berbuat. Ni thang berci spark kamshan. Jadi LED bulb nyawat, ani si thang kenai buat dulu. Pasal. Kamu dalam thang kenai buat. Kelas safe kendai Bhoi buat. Atau sis power dengan di bawah kata yang Bhoi. Kan pada ni tanggal sau sis power Bhoi dalam approach program kalau share jawan. Kajimut juga ni commission kepala sedang dari Prime Minister berurang jengi Narendra Modi. Kajimut kelapa. Ngipin kejengim banyarap di kemarin. Kata kali di kata jengi di bol, hang ni di bol berpatai kata. Kamu kata man kalau ni tak sis power. Dalam kawin ini tangsi saja, ada LED dan tangsi peruin. Ada LED bersi peruin, ada tangsi spain. Pi kata kaji beri mission lagi. Ini kejengim, kemudian jadi ini cuma apa mission dong. Tidak apa, tambah kiwel ni anak. Kata kaji beri mission lagi. Sekarang kalau kami kaitan kali say no to single use plastic. Kemudian ni kejengim cuma ini kejengkit, iwe sabun, air selesai. Kata kaji beri, mungkin baru. Nampak orang tidak kilo tidak kata jarah di kata dan melakukan dia. Mentah tidak boleh sabun bersyukur ke air plastik saya. Kemudian for one soap you say keep plastic back. Kata kamu telah penjelai plastik. Tinggal ipla WA boleh sampai pikun kata kasihan bah. Ini ada ipla. We'll take the carrying cloth bag. When you go to for shopping like for soap for dry materials. Ngilun kami itu iba, no, sabun, kasih ni, kayak juga tu soal pan plastik show, itu happy plan. Kata kaji boleh mission lagi, ni lagi kita berduna di jebol contoh kalian, bantuan kami plastik itu berduna, apa lagi? Inilah penginginan apa yang ingin berduna. Dengan shimmy kenegaraan kebu, nanti di opportunity, kalau di longsan kita mengambil maka sungguh, kalau kita berterai dan sangat dengan kepat saya di longsan berkhid. Bagi dia yang suka syak mat, ingin